Janet Soko gave one of the best product testimony. And those testimony should only be heard here, not there. How about now? I stopped my international Zoom because I'm creating a new one. No? And my international Zoom will just be a leader sharing, inviting them to the trainings, telling them that the most important anyway is the process, which is the procedure. So, I make OPP so premium that they will salivate to see it in the office so that they will come. If I did OPP outside, my cousin, he cannot invite 20. Brand new, huh? Because I told him, invite more people. Riway is so good. When you put them in Riway, the product will be taken. Look at you. You buy the product. Do you know that, may kasabihan sa Tagalog yung, ang babae ay minamahal pag pinilit. Di ba? Ganun, no? Paano nga yun? Tayo naman. Di ba? Pero pag binigyan mo lang ng konting saka siya nagiging curious. Parang nangyari yan kay Rosmet at kay Eko eh. O yung curious. Parang napakasimpatiko rito. Konti lang sinasabi, pero gwapong-gwapo yun. Yan naging magkasama siya. But, anyway, just kidding. Nakuha nyo? Di ba yung mga babae ay yung isang malalaking dala ng walang kwenta? Di ba? Pero pag lalaki matipid, tapos konti na sinabi, tapos romantic. Di ba? Teka sandali ako. Hindi si Putoy ako. So, if we will make OPP so premium that they will only see in the office, your client outside will come here salivating to see this with the highest premium. Am I right? That's what I do now. I told James that. Now James' group is growing. We have a group of senior citizens making, tatlo sa kanila, na ngayon, make 100,000 this month. Yung mga senior citizens, ganyan lumakad. Pag nakita mo. Ganyan. So next. Nakuha nyo? Believe in the product. How? Influence. You can tell them how good the product is if they cannot feel you with so much experience in the product. They will doubt to take it. Even if you tell that someone cured from death to life. Use the product. You can tell them all the value. You know how many products I'm taking? Because Alan Kak told me. Show an example. I'm taking 10 capsules a day. That's 120,000 a month. I have to be brave to set an example. Use the product and then how you will invite people, share your belief in the product by your testimony. You don't necessarily give details. You know, if you give unless you are Doc Ann, who is a medical doctor, you can tell all. But the more, outside, if you tell them about the science of the product and everything, people will say, can you prove it with the clinical study? Yes. Do you have scientific study? Yes. Then you're dead. Yes. Share how much your experience, your gusto of the product. That will attract more people to come to the meeting. Tawag doon, curiosity, invite them by curiosity marketing. Do you know that curiosity marketing has been proven for so long? When you see a commercial in the television, it's only 15 seconds. And you have to, because you're so curious, talaga nakakatanggal ng malakupa. And pupunta ka sa grocery, titignan mo, babasahin mo yung content. Pero kung sinabi mo na lahat, babasahin mo ba nila? Hindi na, sinabi mo na eh. Kailangan may bitin. Next. Ito yung importante. SGC. You know why I can take 120,000 a month? My wife is taking 4 capsules. Sabi nga, nagdagan niya. My mother-in-law, my daughter will get product from us. And sometimes, she will only pay 50%. No? Baksak presyo yung anak namin. Di ba? Kung walang product, 50% bayad. That's too expensive. But the reason why we enjoy that, because the system generated we have many points in Reway. Like, for example, if I have Prestige points now, that's half of the set. How about the product wallet? How about the commission? So therefore, this system generated consumption, no? Sige, next. Wala po ako yan sa LTS. Now that you have the belief, in the system, you have the belief in leadership, you have belief in the product. That is what you share to invite. But according to that, okay, you must be on fire. You know what I mean? Marlene catches all our fire this morning when she started, right? Marlene is so contagious, right? Yes. She's on fire. That's the reason why she deserves to earn that much. Share your beliefs and tell them that the system of Reway is 99.1% ratio. 99% is being done by Reway. 1%, let people come and see by your invitation. You can only invite them right if you influence them the way you believe Reway. So, invite them. That's why may clicker ako, no? So, sige mo. Sorry mo. Mon, why will I follow the procedure of Reway? Why will I go through process? You know what? The first time you talk to someone, kasi ganito yan eh. Sometimes when we approach a client, our mind is, we want security. We want to secure ourselves. You say, tetest ko muna kung gagamit ng product lang. Tetest ko muna. How will you know? Isn't it easy that you come to people looking for leaders? This is what Big Boss says. There is a formula in Reway according to Big Boss Limuno. Find, retain, keep. Sabi niya. Ulitin natin ha. Ano kaya? Find, retain, keep. Big Boss says that when you invite them to build lines. I get this. For example, how many lines do you need to become a Timilit Pago? 3. So you invite people, come and invite, that lines will be filled by people because not everybody you're not sure to be active in Reway. Tama? Yes. So sabi niya, the purpose of invita is to fill the lines. For example, I got Papa P. What is the job that I need to do with him? To make sure he will invite a lot and be processed by Reway. Because the more people in that lines, the more chances ranks will come out from that. Don't worry about product sales because if they attend OPP, they will buy. Because you talk to them, you give them your testimony. Once they attend the OPP, that's the time you tell them the details. At least hindi sa'yo nang galing. Can you imagine, ikaw naman nag-invite, tapos pinrada ko ng pinrada, di ba? Unless si Dr. Gemma ka. Guys, are you getting this? Yes. Di ba? So, why go through this procedure in the system? What's in it for me? Ano mapapala ko dyan, Mon? So, what? First thing is,